Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Paisley Shirt Week. My name is Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell in your bottom right-hand corner. If you've been rolling with me, go ahead and hit the like button. Listen, let's get right into it, okay? There's a lot, and I just want to have a brief talk at the end of this. So let's get right into it. I'm going to cover a few stock, a few plays, and then I just want to talk about something that a good friend of mine, Tony Kostelik, we just had a conversation that I believe that will help someone. All right, let's go right to Google. Let's look at what's happening in Google. Google is actually having a good day, right? And down a little bit after hours, but it continued to have a good day. It had a good day the day before, right? And they rolled out their product announcements and all of that, right? And we also know that they are in the AI race, artificial intelligence. My good friend, Stocks with Josh, made a video on yesterday, and I'm just going to play a little piece of it because, I play these guys from CNBC, Fox Business, whatever, and sometimes the best information is right in front of you. This is Stocks with Josh, who was dead on. Let's give a listen.
Google was one of the biggest big tech movers of the day with a 4% pop up. Now you guys know that I sold all my Google shares. I sold them at 109 bucks. I accumulated those shares below 92 bucks, which I told you months in advance it would hit. It did. I was able to cash out with a huge increase. I also told you guys that if the price got back above $108 to $109, that I could just jump back in. I did not buy the shares, but after it moved back above 108, I jumped into some call options. This is a confirmed breakout on Google, and the stock could actually move up at this point to $117. That's my target, not my prediction.
So I'm going to leave it right there. And it did. I entered in to just a little bit of the same play. Google's a good company. This is Stocks with Josh. I just suggest everybody subscribe to his page also. He is excellent with charting, okay? And I'm just going to continue to bring you guys anybody I can that's going to help you to make money. It is not going to take away from me. It's just going to add. If you make money, I'm happy. That's just the way it is. I know everybody's not like that, but let's keep it going. So we could see that Google is actually doing well. Even over the last week, Google is up almost 11%. Now, there's support and there's resistance. That does not mean that Google's going to go straight up from here. But if you were looking to get into a swing trade, there you have it. It's just right there. Now, what's bringing the market down today? We had good data this morning, PPI, which measures the change in rate that producers, and it actually showed that we were having a decrease in inflation. I went live with that this morning. Well, I didn't go live with it this morning, but it is the video that's going to follow this. I encourage everyone to watch it also. But it weighed the entire market down. So even though we had good inflation data, the market was being weighed down by Walt Disney. Walt Disney had lackluster earnings and weak forward guidance. And you guys could just look into all of that with Walt Disney. I'm not going to make a whole video on it. I just wanted to hit you guys with some information that you could use. Now, a lot of people, or should I say a lot of analysts, are expecting this cool off with Disney to continue. You be the judge of that, right? So be careful not to just jump in heavy and try to ride it back up. Do your due diligence because it could continue to cool off. It's right in the middle. It's right in the middle of where when they announced their streaming service, okay? So it's almost like all of the wind of their streaming service was taken out. It went up and then it came back down. Look at that. And so there you have it. Everything is taken out of its wind. We do know that Disney makes their money in a lot of different lanes. They own so much. They own ABC. They have the streaming service, Google Plus. We know about the parks. But believe it or not, their streaming service is a major part of their business and a major part of their income. Okay, so that's what's happening with the market. You got stock like Walt Disney that was weighing the entire market down. And then we have Tesla. Tesla had a pop today, right? Look at that, good people. Tesla had a pop today. Now, what made Tesla pop today? Here's what made Tesla pop today. Elon Musk put out a tweet, and his tweet says, excited to announce that I have a new CEO for X and Twitter. She will be starting in 6 weeks. My role will transition to being exec chair and CTO overseeing product software. All right. And so he is focusing back on what made him great, which was Tesla. We all know I was one of the main ones that was complaining that when he took up Twitter, being the CEO of Twitter, it was a distraction, causing the stock to fall, causing Tesla to fall at the time. Now, we know Tesla had a big bump, but this is good news for Tesla, okay? Because we just need him to be great in the space that he's great in. And I don't care if you think Elon could walk on water, which some of you guys do. You can only have so much on your plate and be great at it, okay? So that's what I wanted to say about Tesla and why it had a pop today, right? So, hey, while we're talking about it, make sure that you download the second link below. This is Moo. Go ahead and get your 20 free stock. Minimally get 100 free stock by depositing a minimum of $100 and then go and claim your free stock, okay? Get that money, get that money, get that money. You got to fund it though, okay? So these are some of the things that I wanted to show you guys and discuss kind of swiftly today, because I want to talk about something else, okay? I really do want to talk about something else. Let's take a look at look at this, good people. Right now, that is crypto. And that's cryptocurrency. We could see that Bitcoin is 26.8, down to 26. We see down almost 4%. Ethereum down 4%. Solana 5.5%. Matic almost 5. Look at that. Cardano 4.5%. So what is this saying to you, Larry? And I just want to talk to you for a few minutes. So it's going to sound like I'm on my Sunday inspirational, but I'm not going in that deep. Okay. I just want to get your minds. I want to wake you up and get your attention. If you believe in something long term, then you have to stick to a plan to accomplish anything in life. I just got through having a conversation with my good friend, Tony Costelli. He and I used to be in sales together. We sold window siding and roofing, right? He sells for my buddy Ron's company, Premier Windows. And we were talking about the herd mentality. Most of us have a herd mentality. We go to work, right? Pay our taxes and all of that. We retire and we live on fixed income, whether that be a pension or whatever, retirement plan, 401k. It's fixed, right? Now you got to search for the senior citizens Wednesday discount just to make it, because inflation is going up, but your retirement isn't. And what I'm going to say is this: only 5%, especially here in America, 5% of Americans actually challenge themselves to do something else outside of work. Now, working is earnable, and you should work, and you should not quit your job and try something different. Try something different while you're working your job. Try something different while you're working your job. Try something different while it's not needed. So money is not your driving force on whatever thing that you like. I'm going to say it again. I know I've said it over and over, but someone needs to hear this today. The secret to success is not the lie that's been perpetuated for years and years. Do whatever you're passionate about and you'll never work a day in your life. That is not true. That is a lie, and it causes a lot of people to have a wreck. Do what you could monetize. Do what you're good enough to do that other people will pay you for, and become passionate about that. That is the real key to success in anything you do. The best time to do it is while you're working your job. And I don't care if it starts out bringing you in $5 a day, whatever that thing is. Learn how to multiply that, right? And so I'm going to shift that now into investing. I see crypto is down. Now, this does not make me want to buy crypto less. For those of you that believe in crypto long term or your stock, right? And so this makes me want to buy more. I'm buying more. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just suggesting that I'm buying more. And now we have the debt ceiling problem, right? And what could happen to the market? It literally could tank the market by 30 to 35%. I'm challenging everyone that's listening to me. If that does happen, you better have some cash and you better know exactly what you're going to buy. I want you to take out a pen and write down the stock that you want to earn. That's not saying that everything is going to crash equally, but write down the stock that you want to get in, whether it be big tech, whether it be VOOVTI, or whether it be something like a SoFi or anything like that. Those are the type of plays that I want you to write down, that if they absolutely tank, only if they absolutely tank, you will buy. Make sure they have cash, okay? I showed you guys how to do that. And if you don't know how to do that, look into my class, because it shows you that. But it's easy. Just Google the easy stuff, okay? I want you guys to look into those type of plays, okay? Look into the Palantirs, which I'm up 30% now because I've been DCAing, okay? And I want you guys to have a play ready. So when everybody else is running, we already know what could happen to the market if they don't raise the debt ceiling, which they've done 100 times since World War II, okay? 100 times. We've never defaulted. We've lost our credit rating, but we've never defaulted. Take that opportunity to be brave and run in when everybody else is running, all right? Remember, I always say this. Run towards the burning building and catch the fallen baby. Because what happens is every single time, even if we come close and the market does tank, then they will have enough pressure and then they will pass the bill, right? And then the stock market will eventually recover, okay? And so that's what I'm telling you guys on today. I just wanted to cover that, but I also wanted you guys to be ye also, boom, ready, okay? Be ready, all right? So, hey, if anything I said, I'm not reading anymore, so I'll take those back off. Hey, anything I said has shined a light on anything, please leave me a comment. I really wanted to make this video more so to have that talk with you guys than to talk about these stocks. This is temporary. This is temporary. But if you have a game plan together to gain true generational wealth, then you need to make that plan and stick to it, but be ready. All right. We're going to leave it right there. Good people. I love you guys. Stay positive, be kind, rewind, do it again. We'll see you tomorrow morning live. All right. And it'll be the last shirt of the Paisley shirt week. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.